Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories. And you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorites. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. So now let's talk about the products. As you can see, I am wearing a little mermaid merchandise from Disneyland. Who's excited for them opening? Maybe. Today we got a very special one. It's going to be Little Mermaid theme, yeah. Both of these are from Hot Topics. They're both very similar, but they do have different colors, so let's go through those colors. First one up is Disney Princess, the Little Mermaid Square eyeshadow palette. The price of this one is 0.63 ounces and can be found at Hot Topic, of course. Price of it is $16.90, but this one is sold out. Oh, that's okay. They have the other one. But there is always a sale going on HotTopics.com, so they're usually around $13. If they're having a 20% off sale, sometimes they go 30% off. I literally just bought this like last week, and I believe they had a 30% off sale. So I just got it in the nick of time. It's sold out now. There is no expiration date on this, but usually palettes run around 12 months. The longest one I've seen is up to 30 months from Charlotte Tilbury. So there's also one that goes at least to 24 months. So they last for a while. Hot Topic makeup though, maybe 12 months I would say, but you know. Just kidding. This is a cruelty-free item. It has a little bunny back here. Brilliant. And on the website, I thought the description for this was pretty cute. It was like, the human world is a mess, but your makeup doesn't have to be. That was funny. Basically, this is a 12 color palette square with a mirror inside. Ooh. And those colors are around, let's see, I want to bend this. I just got it. I'm not going to bend it. Okay. 7 shimmery shades and 5 matte shades. So that's pretty good. Ingredients in this are mica, kaolin, ethyl hexyl palmitate, magnesium stearate, ozokirite, and phenoxyethanol. Wow. Okay, now we're going to try the colors. Of course, it's new. I never tried it before, so we're going to take this off. Ooh, ASMR moment. Not sure if you guys like that. Okay, so first one up is Free Spirit. Dip that in there. It is a white shimmer. Let's do it on this side because I got hair. Oh, you know what? That's a marvelous idea, Alicia. I'm going to take this off. Fun and games are over. Gonna do this demo. There we go. There we go. Of course, they're eyeshadows, so what you want to do is just put them on your eyes. You can use them elsewhere if you wish. Be creative and just have fun. I'm going to use it here in the inner eye area. Wow, coming out lovely. So next one here is Atlanta. I'm going to go row by row. This one is a matte teal, looks like. Ooh, yes. Okay. Next one is Under the Sea. Under the Sea. I'm not sure if we're going to get copyrighted. Okay, so we're going there. And it is a very nice light purple. Well, no, not really light. It's a purple, matte as well. Awesome Blossom. And just for those who haven't seen my video, I place primer beforehand on top, and if I need to use the lower area, I place primer there as well. Okay, now we've got Unfortunate Soul. I want to say like an army green it's looking like, but might be a gray, so let's dip in here. Ooh, yeah, this one has a lot of fallout. That's okay, it's okay. We work with it. Put it on your hand first. Looks like a gray, right? Yeah, I believe so. It would make sense that it is gray since it's Ursula, right? Next one is called Human. Now, I was showing this to my boyfriend, my BF, we noticed that human is a green color while mermaid down here has a almost human-like peach color. So we thought they should have probably flipped it, but that's okay. Let them do what they want. So the human is almost like a mint green shimmer. That one's fun. I like this one. It's actually kind of pretty.
Very lovely.
Next one is called Treasure. And again, almost like a green, blue, teal kind of a situation, but like lighter. And with shimmer, this one's lighter. The other one was Atlanta, which was darker. This one's more of a green blue probably, and the other one was more of a blue-green situation. Ooh, this one's pretty. I'm probably going to wear this one a lot, especially on my eyebrows. Shimmer on my brows. Yeah, I do that sometimes. It's fun. Next green one is Dingle Hopper, and this one's going to be very shimmery. It's an interesting one. Then you have to have the Thingamabob. Thingamabob. Purple. Shimmery purple.
Purple.
Another interesting color. Purple. Okay, then here's the mermaid, which is like a peachy tone color. Skin tone. Should have been human. Anyways, here we go. This is definitely a color that I would just use under, like a highlight under my brow, or just use it as a base on my lid. Cause you could barely see it. Cause it's skin tone. A very shimmery one as well. Not too shimmery, but I'll show it to you here on my brush. Dab it on. This one is called Who's It? It's an orange color. Matte. This one has no shimmer. But don't worry, the shimmer one is coming up. Orange matte. Then we've got the What's It? Yellow. I don't know how this one's going to stand out. This one is as well a matte. Okay. Pretty good. Oh, interesting. You can see it. It's a very light yellow. Okay, and then last one is Guppy. Quit being such a guppy. Guppy. Again, in orange, but shimmer. Just in my inner eye for that shimmer. Can you all see that? It's an interesting orange. There it is. That's it. Plop it right there. Whoa. Interesting. I like it. Before I go to the next one, I just wanted to mention they do show what the colors are supposed to be. On the back, it shows you like a little picture. The Atlanta is supposed to be, it looks like it's supposed to be like a true blue instead of a blue-green. But this looked like a blue-green. So, and the mermaid that I said was like a light peachy, it's showing me a pink, like a hot pink. It's interesting. So, just be careful when you're buying these at Hot Topics. Kind of shows a little bit of a different color than what you see inside. And Unfortunate Souls is supposed to be black. Black. I guess it's coming out as black or gray. I'm still kind of iffy on that one. Everything else seems to be about right. The purples back here are a little weird, but it's funny. Okay, anyways. On to the next one. Next one up is Disney, The Little Mermaid Ariel eyeshadow palette. Ooh. This one is 1.05 ounces and still can be found at Hot Topic. Again, they are on sale, so by the time this video comes out, hopefully it's still not sold out. So try to find yours today. It is $16.90, but like I said, there's always a sale going on, so it's around $13.52. But don't forget, kids, there's always that shipping and handling and plus tax and all that jazz. Again, no expiration date. Palettes though usually go from 12 months to 24 months to even 30 months. Wow. It is cruelty free, so it has the cruelty free stamp on the back. Oh, right here.
Yep.
The description on this one says, an eyeshadow for all mermaids. Love that. And this palette has 12 shades of shimmery and mattes And comes with a mirror. Also, it opens up like a book. Whoop, like this. And the mirror basically takes that whole entire side right there. It's pretty big. Like reading a book. Oh, hi. They made this palette a little bit more even. 6 shimmery eyeshadows and 6 matte eyeshadows. So that's pretty good. Ingredients on this is very similar and basically the same thing. Mica, kaolin, ethyl hexyl palmitate, magnesium stearate, ozokyrite, and of course phenoxyethanol. Okay, here we go. Now we're going to open it up. Take the film off of it. Oh my gosh. Oh no, this one doesn't want to even come off. There it goes. Yeah. Okay. And there we go. We got the colors. Oh, the sticky is still on here. This one will stick down really good. Jeez. The colors on the back are actually a little bit more precise. They even try to show like the shimmer and which ones are matte. Just you could barely tell, but they tried, right? Okay, so first one you got is Flounder. It is a shimmery green. I'm gonna say this one is more algae type. No, a definite sea green. It's really pretty. Shimmer is not like the sparkly shimmer, but I would say highlight, glow to it shimmer. Go ahead and try it out. Flip this way now. This one I would say you could actually pick up with your finger and put it in the inner corner eye. It's coming off my brush like a Huda palette almost. Usually with Huda palettes you always want to use your fingers with most of their shimmers. Then you have Gadgets, which is a green sparkly shimmer. Very green. St. Patrick's Day green. And that's about right. Then you have Gizmos. Light pink, purple, purple pink situation. I wonder if this one on the back comes out a little bit darker, looking like a maroon. We'll see how it looks on my eyes. My eyes always tell the truth. Okay. I like this color. You could start off light and then build it up. This one is matte as well. Next one is called Snarf Flat, which I always thought it was Snarf Flat, but it's Snarf Flat. My bad. This one is the next matte color. I would say like an orange. I was not sure about this one. I was like, I have to put it on my eye. Can you see it? It's a very light color. Interesting orange. Almost skin color too, I guess. Again, probably use this as a base color. And then a shimmery yellow called Salty Sea Air. That one's pretty. Highlight alert. But it is a shimmer. It's okay, I could still use it as a highlight. Yes. Hello everyone. This is next day editing Alicia here. And I realized I missed one color. It is called Human World. I missed that one. So we're going to go over that right now. I got this eye prepped. And we're going to dip it in. It looks like a brown matte. Probably just cover my whole entire eye since it's the only one. Okay, now we have Human World on now. I believe I have completed everything. So now we're going to head back to our regularly scheduled program. Next one is a Sea Witch, which to me looks like a brown, orange brown. This one is matte. Oh yeah, that one came out right away. Next one is I Want More. I Want More. Don't let me sing. Sorry, everybody. I'm gonna say almost a yellow. Back here it's showing an orange. Shimmer. Let's try it out. Maybe a mustard yellow. Wow. That was nice. I like this one.
Cool.
Looking nice and gold now. Okay, now it's Make Your Choice. Kind of running out of names. Make Your Choice. Not sure if that was in the movie. No. Okay. Make Your Choice. Looks like a shimmery orange. Tangerine maybe. Shimmer. Yeah, there it is. Peachy tone. Shimmer orange. Kind of a situation. Let me know in the comments if they do have a line in the movie where anybody says make your choice I don't remember. I know in the Matrix he has to choose the red pill and the blue pill, but I don't know about Ariel. Definitely a tangerine. Oh. Okay, Life is Bubbles. I believe Sebastian did say that one. It is a matte green. Yes, life is a bubbles under the sea. Yeah, I think he did say that one. Green. Dude, I barely put any on. I put barely anything and just whoosh, right away. I tapped it. Tapped it. Put it on my hand. I tapped it. Matte green. Ariel is the next one. I believe it's supposed to be a red for like her hair. Brown red, brick red, not really sure. Let's try it out. Here we go. Ooh. Matte as well. And it came out nice. Look at that. What color would you say that is? Brown red? I'm going to go with brown red.
Orange red? Is that such a thing? I don't know.
Next one is seashells. And it looks like it's supposed to be imitating her bra-like color. Seashell color. Okay, let's try it out. Purple shimmer. I like this one. This one's nice. It's pretty. I'm gonna be very creative with all these colors. Ooh, look at me. Now let's get to the result. This one on Instagram, since it's called Disney Princess, I put Disney Princess. And this one is just the Little Mermaid. So let's see how you guys voted. And the Little Mermaid 60%. Disney Princess got 40%. Oof, very close. Congratulations, the Little Mermaid. You are the winner. Everybody probably loves the illustration because that's why I bought it. The colors, absolutely marvelous. Love it. And I like that it's kind of like a book-like. But then at the same time, you can hold it like this, like the usual palette. It's fantastic. It's fun. And I just love the Little Mermaid, so I had to buy both of them. Boom. Just can't help it. They're for fun. Why not? I like Little Mermaid. Disney Park's going to open soon. I gotta go in there looking nice. At least my eyes do. And then I can wear my mask. And kind of just, you know, show off the colors on top. Then people are like, where did you get those colors? And then I could be like, yes, it's the Little Mermaid palette. I'm just kidding. Okay, so now we're going to put this back on. Yeah. And then I'm here to tell you it's your turn. Tell me which one you like the most. Either this square eyeshadow palette with little circles or the book-like Little Mermaid palette with the squares. Go ahead, comment below. Share which one was your favorite, why you chose it on my Instagram, and you can be featured in next week's video. This week we don't have any features, unfortunately. That's okay. Not cry about it. Maybe this one will get you guys talking, and I look forward to seeing the comments. Alright everybody, hope you all had fun with my Little Mermaid special. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye. Disneyland.